Welcome to the driver training video for the EMS products Barracuda 10K and Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax, the choice of Geneva rock. The products are clearly labeled with large instructions on the tote at every location. Please follow them. Let's go through them. First, fill your wash bucket, or if you have a small sprayer, fill your sprayer with the Barracuda 10K solution. Barracuda 10K is used on heavy stains and heavy concrete. However, it is safe to use anywhere on the truck. The foaming action you see is the chemical reaction of the low pH of the product coming in contact with the high pH of concrete. There will be no fumes, and the product is safe to use without gloves or goggles. For more stubborn stains, let the product sit for 1 or 2 minutes before brushing. Heavy buildup will require extra applications, but as you can see, every time you apply the product, concrete will come off, along with rust and other stains. The rinsing process disperses a wax built into the product that will make the truck easier to clean over time. Remember, Barracuda 10K for concrete removal and for heavy stains. Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax is the product you'll use on most days to keep the truck clean. Fill your bucket with the solution and follow the instructions. On hot days, you may need to spray the truck down to cool the surface, but most days you'll be able to simply apply from the bucket directly to the concrete, rust, or grease stains on the truck. I think we'd all agree that most Geneva trucks look great. You've been using our products for years. But in this 3 minutes time-lapse video, you can see that even heavy concrete and grease can come off through reapplication, brushing, and a good rinse. Dip the brush in the bucket of Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax and apply to the drum in the opposite direction of the spin. You'll see here that gravity and friction is going to do all the scrubbing for you. A few revolutions and a good rinse will leave every part of the drum clean and protected. In fact, Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax should be used on any part of the truck as often as you can. It's safe to use on glass, rubber, seals. It's safe on mirrors, on chrome. It's safe on cables. Don't worry, use it anywhere on the truck. Even a truck that's not dirty in a particular area, a quick brush, application, and rinse will leave that area waxed and protected against sun damage and against the other elements. In fact, you can use the product in areas where you normally could not, including your wheels. It's safe on the rubber and the chrome and the aluminum and the painted surfaces, so simply wash every part of the wheel, removing the concrete, the grime. The product also removes road salts that come onto our roads during the winter months. Again, no reason not to have beautiful wheels and conditioned wheels. Make sure you rinse to remove all the soaps and suds, and you'll have a beautiful finish. Speaking of areas that go unwashed, when we were doing our training, we were shown many areas of the truck that get heavy buildup. Again, you should have never put acid here, and you were well trained not to do so. But you use EMS products, which are safe to use, again, anywhere on the truck. So feel free to apply these to the undercarriage, to the fenders, anywhere on the truck you want to remove a stain that's bothering you or you think is unsightly. Brush and a quick rinse. There are areas where you can't brush, we understand that, so you can just apply the product. It will continue to break down those stains, and the hard rinse will act, if you will, as the brushing element. So spray again anywhere on the truck, work these areas. You'll see the product will work instantly. Even on small concrete stains, there's an activation that happens. You'll see it foam up. You don't want to have to do it with your fingers, but we're just pointing out here that those areas are now softened concrete, easier to remove, so you don't have to scrub as much. You can just spray, and all of those areas will weaken those stains, and a good rinse will get the truck very clean over time. Of course, you're not going to be able to wash the entire truck in a single washing, so work sections during the week, but do care for the entire truck. The products can go anywhere on the truck, and there's no reason to have concrete splatter or road grime when the truck can be shiny and look new. It's a representation of the company and of you. The Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax is excellent at removing grease, again, anywhere where you have grease on painted surfaces, aluminum, even the hydraulic fluid. If you have heavy grease on the truck, simply apply, brush, and rinse. The products will also remove rust. Simply apply, wait for 5 minutes, brush, and rinse. They're even safe on aluminum. To clean aluminum, spray from the bottom up to maintain accurate coverage, brush, and rinse. So there you have it, pretty easy. Barracuda 10K on heavy concrete buildup and heavy stains. And the Ready Mix Truck Wash and Wax anywhere on the truck to remove concrete, grease, or grime, or to maintain an already clean truck. EMS and Green Source are proud to be coming up on our 10-year anniversary servicing Geneva Rock. Thanks again for your time.